How are you, friends? I hope you are all well. I have started the method of making potable water system in Revit. I have divided the videos of potable water system in 5 parts. In the first part, I told you how to create a model and how to make a pipe type and system type in potable water system. Today in the second part, we will talk about pipe segment and pipe size catalog. How pipe segment is formed, how do you apply materials on it, and how you create pipe size catalog. In the next, third video, we will talk about pipe routing preferences. What fittings are required on this pipe? How can we add them in the system? In the fourth part, we will draw the potable water system practically. And in the fifth part, we will discuss about different types of pipe tags. You will also find links to all these videos in the description below. First of all, I welcome all my friends on my educational channel. New friends can subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new videos. Don't forget to like and share. In the first video, I taught you how to create model, potable water pipe type, and piping system. Friends who have not yet practiced it, there is a link in the description below. Be sure to practice it first. Friends who have practiced the first video, open the model that we did in the first video. Now we start discussion in second part. Knowing the pipe material is very important for the piping system. For example, we need PPRC material for potable water system, UPVC for the sanitary system, MS seamless pipe for fire water system, and copper pipes are required for refrigeration system. This is called a pipe segment. To do this, there is a small arrow on the bottom side of the plumbing and piping panel of System tab. Pressing this will give you access to the mechanical setting page, or punch its shortcut key MS from keyboard. Go to Segments and Sizes in Pipe Settings. The drop-down list of segments consists of different types of pipe segments. We need PPRC material which is not available here. We will create it. With the new pipe segment, we can create a new segment. Any segment can be deleted from the second button, Delete Pipe Segment, but we can't modify any segment. There are 3 options for getting new segments by pressing the New Segment button. In the first option, Material, we can browse and select material from the material library. There are some schedules in schedule type. We can use these schedules. Which size catalog is appearing in the duplicate size catalog section will copy in this size catalog. Some materials are defined in the second option, schedule type. You can only use these materials. In the second row, you can define the class of these materials. The pipe segment size catalog that is being displayed from the third row will be copied to this segment. In the third option, you can define material and schedule. I select the third option. Select the browser button. The material browser is open to us. It contains a lot of materials. We need PPRC material. We see it in the search bar. We did not get this material. Now we will make it. To make a good presentation of material, we duplicate the material with similar class effects of this material. We write PVC in material search bar. Duplicate the PVC material by clicking on it and rename it as PPRC. Assign description as PPRC in Identities section and also assign class PN20. Duplicate the material by pressing button Duplicate these assets in the Appearance section. Otherwise, this material will also be applicable to the original material. Now select color green 140. This color is nearest to PPRC material. Its color has also improved in the browser list. Apply and hit OK. Write PN20 in schedule type. In duplicate size section, duplicate PVC catalog. We will create this PPRC catalog from scratch. Now we have the segment PPRC PN20. Keeps the minimum pipe roughness so that we can get good pipe accuracy. Write cold water supply in the segment description. Then there is a size catalog. This is the same catalog as the pipe size catalog I duplicated when creating the new pipe segment in the third row. We will make PPRC pipe size catalog from scratch. In this catalog, you can create or delete any size, but you can't edit it. To create a PPRC pipe size catalog, we need a PPRC pipe size chart. You will find it in a pipe catalog or on the internet. I will show you what a pipe size chart looks like and how to enter it in the catalog. Let's adjust it on the screen. Project units are a must-see before creating a pipe catalog. To view project units, use its shortcut key UN from keyboard and verify length millimeter in common discipline. If the project units are in millimeter, then the pipe catalog will be created in millimeter. And if the project units are in inches, then the pipe catalog will also be created in inches. If you are making 25 millimeter pipe size in catalog and you need a pipe size of 1 inch in the project, then 1 inch is equal to 25.4 millimeter. There will be a difference in size. Similarly, each pipe size will become different. Let's start with this catalog. The first size in this catalog is 20 millimeter and the wall thickness in PN20 is 2.8 millimeter. This size is available in Revit size catalog. This duplicated size has to be removed from this catalog and the pipe sizes has to be adjusted according to PPRC pipe size chart. The PPRC pipe nominal diameter and outside diameter is same. That's why we are going to put 20 millimeter size in nominal and outer diameter. For inside diameter, we deduct wall thickness 2 times from outside diameter because a wall thickness comes twice from outside diameter to inside diameter. So 20 minus 2.8, then minus 2.8 again. Then we got 14.4 millimeter inside diameter. We put it as inside diameter. It became over 20 millimeter pipe size. Now 20 millimeter pipe size is according to PPRC pipe size chart. All the rest pipe sizes are duplicated sizes. So we will delete the rest of the pipe series. Now we will enter the second size of 25 millimeter. In the same way, you have to click on the new size and then give the nominal and outside diameter 25. The wall thickness of 25 millimeter pipe size is 3.5 millimeter. We got 18 millimeter inside diameter after deducting wall thickness twice from outside diameter in the same way. We also got 25 millimeter pipe size by putting it. Similarly, you have to create a pipe size catalog by entering rest of sizes. The pipe size chart of each material is different. To create a pipe size catalog, we need nominal diameter, inside diameter, and outside diameter. If a pipe size chart does not contain outside diameter, then inside diameter and wall thickness will be given. You have to add wall thickness 2 times in inside diameter, then you get outside diameter. And if inside diameter is not available in any pipe size chart, then outside diameter and wall thickness will be given. Deduct wall thickness twicely from outside diameter. You will got inside diameter. Now you save this project. So that was the discussion on pipe segment and the pipe size catalog topic. I hope you understand the topic and enjoyed it. In the next third video, I will share with you the method of creating a potable water pipe routing preferences. Stay tuned for more educational videos. BIM Talks.